we're leaving our pants on. I don't like riding naked on this road. Too many people.
Yep, I agree.
All right, gentlemen, we just left the Smoky Mountains National Park and now we're going to Cades Cove. Cades Cove, I will tell you, is a famous place for nature photographers and wildlife lovers because they can see black bears and elk and all kinds of wildlife in this big loop that you get out. Our friends David Archer and Kenny McKeithen, Sue McKeithen, so many of our friends go out here once a year or more to photograph their wildlife. So anyway, the weather's nice. Hope it holds up till we get to Tellico Plains. How's it going up there, Steve?
And I just had to put my feet up in the recliner mode. And I'm rolling.
Gorgeous day. This is awesome. Where are we stopping for lunch?
Somewhere good is all I'm at.
What's the holdup, Steve?
I'm waiting for this one Joker to get by so that if I
We don't get mauled.
get Mama Bear coming through, I'm alive.
No, they won't even touch you.
Look at that bear right
It's
there.
a baby bear.
Oh, that's so cute. So, part of the reason why we're not actually going to Cades Cove is because that. Basically, the traffic just stops. Anytime somebody wants to stop and hold their phone out the window to take a selfie or take a snapshot, everybody just comes to a standstill, and it's just infuriating. It's one big, long traffic jam. Now, if you watched Adam Sandoval's trip, you would know what I'm talking about. So that's the exact section that we are going to avoid.
Take evasive action.
It's just a big trap.
It's a trap.
Theoretically goes through Cades Cove and comes out the other side, but there's a gate closed that's been closed for years, and so you cannot exit on the other side. You end up trapped in that loop and you have to come all the way back. You do not go out into that circular nature drive. Switching to video mode. All right, hey, we made it for lunch in Townsend. Check out the size of this sandwich.
Look, dude, they cut a pig in half and gave me the left side.
And Mr. Steve here is trying to pretend like he's being healthy.
Yeah. They didn't have roast beef, so I got brisket. Gee, break my heart.
And I tried to be good and ordered a bunch of sides that were just vegetables. And they gave me this humongous stack of cornbread pancakes. So quick lunch here in Townsend, Tennessee, and then we're gonna probably get into some rain, and then next stop should be Tellico Plains. We're excited, gonna be there soon. Hey guys, check this out. I wanted to show you all, as part of the main hub of battery power on our trips, I keep a slew of fun stuff in my tank bag. And I'm going to show you real quick some invaluable tools that I use when we're on these TransAmerica trails. So one thing that I highly recommend on an excursion like this, if you constantly want to be running a GoPro, is that you buy one of these dual charger batteries. Little guy like that. I'll put a link in the show notes below, but it charges two batteries. You can see the green one is already charged, and then the amber one is charging. The other important battery source that I keep is this little guy. This is my drone charger. And if you look in the links below, I'll show it to you as well. But right here is a generic little cigarette lighter adapter charger for the DJI Mavic Pro. So you just plug it in. Ta-da! Your battery's charging constantly. Hope that helps. Got to keep that juice powered up, and this is one way that I do it.
Oh, police, check it out.
Sheriff.
Dr. Seuss cam.
Yeah, you laugh. I'm rolling noggin can.
All right, smooth is good.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Tail of the Dragon. So the TransAmerica Trail does in fact connect to the Tail of the Dragon, famous Tennessee road. It's like 300 and some corners in like 11 miles, I think.
I'm just thinking you can't leave your cruise control on.
So I'll tell you what, that cop on the motorcycle, oh, here he is again. He caught somebody.
Yeah, that with no license tag. I remember him going by. He probably could tell you exactly what mile marker he's on
Yeah.
at any given corner.
Another photo op.
Photo op.
Which one's that?
This is 129slayer.com.
Just so you guys know, it's normally packed, but being on Monday, I think we're in luck.
And rain.
And rain.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
You all right?
I'm good.
what happened?
Back in, kicked out. I got down in that damn stuff.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, no lie.
Now,
Get your damn heartbeat rolling.
and my comments earlier about how a well-made tire should perform well even on wet pavement, it does not apply when the weather just wet the road, because that first few minutes after it wets the road is when it's all slick.
Yeah, that's when all the oil comes floating to the surface.
Yeah.
And here comes the rain.
Yeah. So at one end of the Tail of the Dragon, there's this huge tree they call the Tree of Shame. And obviously there's been a lot of motorcycle accidents along this road, people who are taking it a little faster than they should. And so the scrapped bikes, they'll take a piece of the fairing or, you know, a part that's broken off from the accident and hang it on this tree.
In North Carolina, y'all.
Sweet.
There's a sign that says Deals Gap.
Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort coming up. Appreciate that. It's very nice of you.
Take two.
Oh, take two?
Helps if you have the camera rolling.
Oh, stand by.
All right, gentlemen, prepare yourselves. You think you've ridden some amazing roads so far today, but this is the most epic to come. We did a little piece of the Blue Ridge Parkway. We did a little piece of Tail of the Dragon. Did a little piece of the Smoky Mountains National Park. But this is the Cherohala Skyway, one of my personal favorite roads in the entire planet. Buckle up, last stretch. Teleco planes, here we come.
I can't find my seatbelt.
Brother Dan is here to be our host at the Cherohala Skyway Parkway, and he is playing the Zaire National Anthem where we grew up. What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
How are you, sir?
Jason?
How are you?
I'm Steve.
Steve, good to meet you. My brother Dan.
Dan the man.
Christy! What's up? I love your shirt.
You didn't see the back?
I haven't. Steve's here.
Hey, Steve.
What's up, girl?
Long time no see.
Been a while.
So I have to tell Jason here, Christy and Steve and Scott We all rode on the Blue Ridge Parkway trip together.
Dude, you are a wild man.
How so?
You got the moves. What do you think, Mr. Steve?
I like it.
And I rode with you two weeks ago?
Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah.
Camped here about 3 weeks ago, and we rode the Cherohala Skyway going the other way, and I could barely keep up with her. You met my brother Dan?